Hi guys, it's Jeff from Courtjeffster. Today we'll be working on the incredible jumping frog. It's actually a well-known origami. I call it incredible because it never fails to entertain. And now that you know what we're doing, let's jump right into it. Sorry guys, I had to use that corny joke. Now that it's out of the way, get your paper ready and let's do it. I will be using a regular sheet of origami paper, but you can use printer paper and cut it down into a square by cutting off the edge. Okay, first thing, you turn it over. If your back is white side in, you fold it in half. I'll try and be clear and slow it down for you too. Okay, take this top corner, fold it so this top side meets the side over here. Then you're going to take the upper right corner and do the same thing. Fold it from this top edge to this side. Now that we open it and have an X, we're going to flip it over and we're going to fold this top to where the bottom of the X is. It hasn't taken shape yet, but it will soon. Okay, open that up, turn it over. You're going to press the middle point, and you see these two creases we made? And these diagonal ones, we're going to fold down on the diagonal towards the center and then press down and flatten it. So it should look like this. Now we take the bottom, bring it up. Here's where it starts getting a little thick, the paper, so take your time, give it a good press. And if it's uneven, that's okay. We're just practicing. Mine's uneven too a little bit. It's normal. And let's just get it done and have fun. Okay, once we have that up here, we're going to take the sides, lift this up, fold the sides toward the center line. If your paper's a little bigger, it'll look a little bigger. Lift the corner up, fold this side to the center line. Okay, and take the bottom all the way up to here. We're going to fold it again. Okay, this corner will be folded up at a diagonal angle. So it's like the bottom here, just take this, flip it up so it sticks out. Those are the front legs. Now you can see it's taking shape. Next thing is we're going to open it a little. Take this corner, pull it, let it fold out like this. Right? You have this, pull it out, take this corner and pull it out, let it fold up, and then flatten it. And it'll look like kind of like a boat, right? You've got a little bit of a boat on the bottom. Now that you have these corners pulled out, fold them down. So I'll redo it again. You have this, fold it up, fold along this slant so that they stick out. Gently pull this corner out. See? Gently pull this corner out until it sticks out. And then flatten it once you have this. Then take these corners, fold it towards the middle so that they stick facing downwards. Now in order to make the back legs, we're gonna lift this up again and fold just to this line. So like that, right? And just to this line that we just made. Now it's basically done. Fold in half across here. And we're gonna fold it again so that we have, we're gonna fold it again over here so that we have a springboard of sorts. That's the idea. We wanna give it the ability to jump. Nice, incredible jumping frog. I hope you had fun and enjoyed making it and have fun playing around with it. Feel free to like, subscribe, that would be great. And I will see you next time. Bye, have a great day.